Today I'm coming to you with some information about some work from home jobs. Today I have 16 data entry work from home jobs that's going to put some money in your pocket, especially with what's going on today. Starting off with number one is called Momentum Solar in PA, call center agent, $12 an hour. Two is called Restore You Staffing in Pennsylvania, customer service, $10 to $15 an hour. 3 is called Onyx Marketing Group. Onyx Marketing Group, temporarily remote. They need people to work from home. And this is an entry level in sales, $18 to $24 an hour. 4 is called Newtown Answering Service in Levittown, Pennsylvania, inbound call center rep. Number 5 is called CSS Philadelphia, remote call center rep, $15 an hour. 6 is called the MCS Group in Philly, customer service rep, $10 to $15 an hour. 7 is called TSI, Transworld Systems Incorporated in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Customer service, $13 to $15 an hour. So you could make anywhere from $13 to $15 an hour with this job, potential job opportunity for you today. 8 is called DYTRIX, Bluebell, Pennsylvania. Customer service, $14 an hour. 9 is called Subdirect in Philadelphia. Customer service, $11.75 to $12 an hour. 10 is called We Care Technology, Cherry Hill, New Jersey, 100% virtual. Work at home call center rep, $11.50 to $13 an hour. 11 is called Connect America, Medical Alert Company. Customer service, $14 an hour. 12 is called On Track Incorporated, Pennsylvania. Outbound sales, you can make anywhere from $45,000 to $50,000 a year. Number 13 is called Telvista, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. B2B, business to business accountant. You need 1 year experience in sales. 18, you can make anywhere from $18 to $19.50 an hour. 14 is called Amcord Care Incorporated, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, a bilingual customer service, $11 to $12 an hour. 15 is called Innovo Staffing, Warminster, Pennsylvania, remote call center rep, $12 to $13 an hour. Number 16 is called Heroes Jobs, Pennsylvania, remote customer service, $7.25 an hour. Well, I just put it out there. You ain't gotta click on the link, but they're paying up to $7.25 an hour. If you find any of these 16 data entry work from home jobs interesting, or you're just curious, click on the link to start the process. Don't forget to share the video if you may know somebody that may need a work from home job, or check out my playlist that I will put on the top of this video and see what I have available for you today, so you can have the opportunity to work from home or make some passive income with some awesome survey sites that you will make daily cash into your PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, just comment on the bottom and I'll put a link for a PayPal account, and it's free to sign up. It's free. It's all free. PayPal account is free to sign up, so don't worry about that. You don't have to pay to get a PayPal account. So if you find any of these interesting, click on the link, start the process. And as I said before, everything I talk about, I put on the bottom of this video, and you could click on this playlist right here and see what I have available as far as working from home, making some passive income, some awesome survey sites where you can make some money, daily cash. Some of them you just need $5 to just cash out. So if you want to make some money from home, click on the playlist that I have above me on top or top of this video, and click on the link and start the process. Thank you so much for checking out the video, and I want you to know I appreciate you, and I thank you for hanging out with me for a little bit. And I felt that it's just my obligation to bring the jobs and the ways of how to make money online to you, so you can benefit, so you can make money and, have some money in your pocket. So thank you again for checking out the video. I want you to know I appreciate you, and I will see you on the next video, hopefully. And if you want more ways of how to make money from home, don't forget to click subscribe to the channel first. Click on the bell notification, so when I do my future videos, you will be the first one to get a notification, and you can see my upcoming videos. How that sounds to you? I hope it sounds good, and I hope you subscribe to the channel, because I want you too to be part of my family. Thank you so much. Enjoy the day and stay blessed. Bye-bye for now.